Hi everyone, I'm Bill Clarkson with Clarkson Santoro, and this is our weekly real estate update for March 18th. In this weekly series, we update you on the latest trends that are occurring in our real estate market here in San Ramon. Using our more than 50 combined years of experience helping clients buy and sell homes, we explain what these trends mean for you as a homeowner or as someone looking for a house you can love to call a home. Our inventory is 20 homes, down from 27 last week. The asking price of those homes is $1,825,000, which is down from last week's average of $1,846,000. 23 homes asking an average of $1,795,000 when pending this last week. That's up from last week's number of 17, with a lower average asking price of last week's $1,855,000. A total of 9 homes sold this week with an average sales price of $2,114,000. That average sales price was down from last week's average of $2,227,000, and the total number of homes was higher than last week's 8. And now for my commentary on what this week's numbers mean. Traditionally, the months of March, April, and May mark the introduction and the beginning of the hot market time of year. This is not always the case, but from my experience, the spring season is the strongest 3 months of the year for sales and appreciation. I mention this because we are now just entering this hot season and the market is already superheated. And to my point on the condition of the market, let me share some interesting statistics on the number of market indicators. First, the biggest news. The number of pending sales has increased significantly over the last 30 days. As you can see on the chart, our pending sales have increased by 280% since February 7th, or over 6 weeks. Pending sales numbers of this magnitude have not been seen this high since mid-June of 2021. During this same time, our inventory has been increasing, but only by 180%. As you can see, the orange line representing pending sales is trending higher than the blue line that represents active homes on the market. In fact, the two lines are drawing apart, indicating additional pressure upwards on prices. This chart confirms what we are experiencing each week. There are too few homes that are being pursued by a large group of well-qualified buyers. Let me discuss 2 factors that will be driving closing prices higher in the coming month. First, the 30-day rolling average of list prices of pending sales has increased by 8% in the last 30 days, leading us to speculate that closing prices in the coming weeks will follow this upward trend. As of today, the average home in San Ramon is now selling for about 20% more than the average home did in 2021. This rise in pending sales values will in all probability continue this increase in property values. The second factor influencing this market is the dollar amount over the list price that buyers are bidding against each other in order to secure a winning offer. As this next chart shows, the 30-day rolling average that buyers are paying over the list price has risen from $197,000 to about $280,000 over the last 2 months. This is a 42% rise in dollars and substantially more than what buyers were overbidding in 2021. This overbidding process is being accelerated by those factors I first spoke about at the start of my commentary. The start of the traditional hot market, compounded by the momentum of an already red-hot market. As this chart shows, the percentage of overbidding for a home has risen from 10.5% 2 months ago to almost 16% above the list price. The only dark clouds on the horizon are the uptick in interest rates that should continue to occur for the rest of the year, and how the war in the Ukraine may affect equities in the stock market, especially for high-tech firms in the Silicon Valley. We will continue to watch our real estate market and all the predictive and leading indicators so we can keep you up to speed on how these trends will affect you as a homeowner. I hope this weekly summary and commentary was helpful. Let me know in the comments down below if you have specific questions you would like us to answer in these updates about what the numbers mean for you. And if you find this information helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you will always be up to date on the latest real estate news here in San Ramon. Have a safe weekend, and we will see you next week with a new real estate update.